coaching me. So yes, you can build a website with AI. No, it's not visible by AI. All of that sucks royal rock. So that's what we've been working on for the last year. Last night at 4 a.m., we had our first rendition of our own agentic web building platform that was capable of building an entire website and validating as what's referred to as an SSD server side or an SSR server side rendered application. Thank you. I have not slept. I've had developers literally staying in my house we've worked for 20 hours a day with 4 hours of sleep, way too much coffee and Mountain Dew. We just got the first validation last night, so I don't know if this baby's going to perform yet, but I do know I can now produce a gorgeous website, 100% AI enabled with AI in the back end, which means I can now build agents in the website instead of Cortex and all these things, which I just spent $2 million developing over the last 2 years. But now we have the ability to build them in the back office of the website, which changes everything, because now a website is no longer an asset that you own and you drag from marketing company to marketing company to marketing company and have to rebuild it all the time and buy a new one every 2 years because it's degrading over time. Now it becomes a SaaS, something you subscribe to, and your cost are the amount of AI credits that are sitting behind the scenes operating the website, which is totally different because now you can't own it, which is weird. So
Jen,
go ahead.
Does that mean, for example, like I could buy a website now, create it through AI, and in the back end say, hey, I want it to produce a blog post today. I want it to add to my Google my business page review. I want it to do backlinking, and now I'm basically paying for those services, but I can basically turn on the spigot and say, here's my business, go to work.
So that is that first I had to get the website to render as SSD. We have that. Now I have to rebuild everything I've ever built for Cortex and Pulse and to work on Webflow and WordPress and all of that inside the system so that the agents live and work inside of the web platform